Hi, my name's Sam. In this episode of Secure Remote Work How-To, I wanted to share with you how easy it is to organise your files, use metadata tags for advanced search, and mark your favourites for easy accessibility. All of this is possible in Box, a cloud-based tool that lets you work from anywhere. I need to find the draft version of the company figures my colleague and I have been working on in order to review it before publication. In Box, that's easy, as I can quickly see all of the most recent files I've worked on by accessing them via Recent Files. In my Recent Files, I can see the Earnings Release Q1 FY 2021 doc at the top of the list, and I can quickly preview it and make changes if necessary. If the file I'm looking for has been worked on previously by one of my colleagues, I can search for the document using Box's comprehensive search function. I can simply search for the name of the file if I know it, or alternatively, I can search based on the contents of the file as well. The Box search bar has the option to filter by type of file, so in this case I can select PDF as one of my search filter criteria. In addition, I can also add the name of my colleague who last updated this file so that I can find only those files updated by them. I've found the file I'm looking for. To make it easy for me to find it later, I can add this to my favourites. Now at the click of a button, I can see all of my favourited files, which in the future will save me valuable time. Recent files and favourites are also available in the Box mobile application on both Android and iOS, allowing me to manage and organise my documents when I'm on the move and not working on my computer. We've received an email from a supplier with a query relating to one of their invoices from March 2020. We process thousands of these invoices each month. I have the invoice number in question. I need to narrow down my search so that I can find the specific invoice for the supplier. Box makes this task easy as we've applied metadata to our suppliers folder. Because of this, I can use the metadata search in Box to further narrow down my search results. Here, I will add the invoice number as well as the supplier ID. Box instantly returns the invoice that I need to review in its search results. After our financial end of year, I need to provide a series of documents for our external auditors. This can be a lengthy project and involves many files which need to be created and reviewed before submitting them to our auditors. Box is introducing a new capability called Collections. Collections are a great new way of organising my content in Box. With the new Collections capability, I can group files and folders into a collection. In the Box web app, I will create a new collection for the files that I need to create and review before submitting them to the auditor. Here I will create a collection called 2019 Audit. Once created, the collection is visible on the left-hand side navigation in the Box web application. Now I need to add some files to the new collection. I simply select those files and choose Add to Collection. Having added all of the files and folders to my new collection, I can quickly access the files by opening it from my Collections view. What's great about Collections is that the documents and folders remain in their original locations, allowing me to create a logical view of the content that's important to me. And finally, from my user profile settings, I can set my default homepage to My Collections. This enables me to access my most important files and projects as soon as I log into Box. Hopefully this brief demonstration provided powerful examples of how Box makes it easy to find and manage content. We've showed how we can use recent files to access documents I frequently use favourites to locate important documents, use search and search filters to find content in Box, advanced search with metadata to provide targeted search results based on specific key values, or organise project-related information into collections. Please be sure to check out the other videos in our Secure Remote Work How-To series and visit box.com/remote to learn more about how Box can help you and your team work from anywhere. Thank you for watching.